人工智慧 AI 的教父黄仁勋今仔日开记者会，伊除了搁来讹落到台积电之外，嘛表示讲，要甲台湾半导体40%的产能转到美国是非常困难的代志。啊，甲问最近伊朗的局势，伊讲伊毋望世界和平，伊讲伊嘛真担心以色列的员工。黄仁勋阁强调讲，不管是以色列，也或是台湾，回答长期发展的承诺，拢未改变。
My only hope is that we can all work together, stay at peace.
AI 教父亲身希望世界和平，毕竟地缘政治紧张，伊朗的局势嘛，连连影响着回答。黄仁勋讲是真烦恼以色列6000个员工。
I'm 100% sure that we will continue to rely and depend on the great industry of Israel. I'm 100% convinced and certain that the world depends on Taiwan for a very, very long time. We have several thousand employees there. They've been there a very long time. Our entire supply chain is there. Hundreds of companies that we work with, some of the most important companies in the world are there.
黄仁勋强调，对台湾长期发展的承诺是未变，大厂供应链完整的生态系，对全世界来讲是袂当无。
Of course, that supply chain starts with the COOP process at TSMC, and every aspect of it, including assembly and packaging, is all extremely complicated.
不过，讲到护国神山，美国商务部长 Lutnick 正正宣称，伫咧 Trump 任内，美国台湾40%半导体产能刷去美国。黄仁勋正月时来台北讲过，这毋是 shift 转移，是 add 增加。这个嘛直接讲明 ，Lutnick 所讲的数字是真歹达成。
TSMC is doing their best to set up fabs and the supply chain, also setting up the supply chain in Arizona and around the United States. But as you know, demand is growing so fast. Meanwhile, while new fabs and new plants are being built in the United States, the overall demand around the world is increasing so great. I think getting to 40% will be very challenging.
啊，那伫咧美中小对敌的时，黄仁勋宣布，回答 H200晶片已经摕到中国的订单，中期生产。大国科技的这场游戏正式进入后一阶段。
黄仁勋的媒体 Q&A 往往都是采取闭门形式，但是今年 GTC 的记者会首度开放录影，或许也侧面显现辉达想要加强与外界沟通。毕竟现在的 NVIDIA 不只是 AI 要找，更在全球地缘政治中扮演关键节点。以上是华视特派记者黄傲庭跟陈建达在美国圣荷西的采访报道。
你好，我是宋彦明。想掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶紧订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。